The trams are coming. Ah. A video of it. It's easier. There it is. Hi.
Hello.
You might be in a lot of my shots today.
Hi.
We're going to the
Zoo.
How about
come two?
Oh.
Two.
I got it wrong. We're going to the zoo. Zoo. You can come.
Two. That's what I said. Hello.
Hi.
We're at the Botanic Park in Adelaide.
So,
Fruit bats.
fruit bats.
Yeah.
Just be careful.
Fruit bat.
Yeah, because we're fruity. Which I'll stabilise afterwards because it's what's it called? Shake it. And I'll speed it up, definitely. Jesus Christ, that's slow.
Are you in the right place?
Yeah, if you... Oh, you can hug the zoo sign, that's lovely.
In a car now. I don't know. It isn't in a car.
That's you.
What is the second place? Oh no!
Yeah, just there. Yeah. Of course you're in the shade. It's a warm day. You do? Oh. That's lovely. You keep catching me. What?
Stop it.
Yeah, I did the little one go. The little one is right there.
Thought they were the size of hamsters, like from the toys and stuff.
Yeah.
Capybaras are massive. See, there's my finger. It's the same size as it. It's probably the size of like a adult man's torso, that, right?
Yeah.
Keep walking. Because we're about to see a big cute bear, aren't we?
Smoothie.
Brain smeeze.
Brain freeze from a smoothie. Yes, that's correct.
Ugh.